Hello and welcome to Tech and More. Kindly subscribe to this channel because we have a lot of goodies for you. Like this video and share with others. Let's quickly jump into today's video. Today we're going to talk about how to change your theme in YouTube from light to dark. Now let's zoom straight into action. You see the circle in the top right corner with a picture. Yes, that is where you get information about your channel. So now tap on it gently. Let's do it. We've tapped on it, and yes, currently the interface that we are seeing is telling us that the channel name is MC Kobe Afrique, but that is not what we are looking for. We have options: your channel, turn on incognito, add account, and the likes. We don't need any of them. Now, after your data in YouTube, we have settings. Hope you've seen it. Yes, settings. Let's gently tap on it. We tap on settings, and then we have the options here: general, data saving, then the likes. Let's not stress ourselves. We want the first one, which is general. So yes, you've selected general, and then we have options under general. Remind me to take a break. Remind me when it's bedtime. And then what we want: appearance. Let's select appearance. Yes, appearance is selected. Now we see that a dialog box is open for us with the heading or title, appearance, and 3 other options beneath it. And currently we see that it is set to light theme. So on top of it we have use device theme and then dark theme. To save yourself from any stress, if we want the dark theme, you just select dark theme, and then the theme changes to dark. Gently, politely, nicely. But then you can also select the first one. If you know your device theme, with the device that I'm using now, the theme is set to dark. So if you select it, it will automatically convert the theme in YouTube to dark theme. But then if yours is light theme and you select it, this light theme will be maintained. So if you want to save yourself from any stress, you just select either light theme or dark theme. But currently we are looking for dark theme, so you just select it. That is if you don't know your device theme. But for me, I know my device theme. It is set to dark. So I have 2 options. I can either select the dark theme or use device theme. But I want to use the device theme because it will still give us the dark theme. If yours is, once again, if your device theme is set to light theme, then if you select it, nothing will change. You have to select dark theme. So now I will select use device theme, and yes, we see that everything changes. The appearance now changes and my theme is dark. Thanks very much for watching this video. Share with others so that they also get solutions to their tech related problems, and subscribe to this channel. Most importantly, like this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.